Hello, and welcome to the TechnicForce tutorial. In this video, we will be exploring the dashboard and settings sections of Listjanitor. So, here's how the dashboard looks when you first open the app. Let's start by adding an email list here. Now, we get a pop-up that says, it looks like the CSV file does not contain a header row. The first row of the file will be used as the header. Would you like to continue with this configuration? Listjanitor automatically detects that my list doesn't have headers. So, I will choose yes to continue with this configuration. Now it is asking me to select the delimiter. My CSV file is comma separate, so I will choose comma here. Second, it is asking me to select the column in my list that contains the email IDs. I'll select this column since it takes my first email as the header according to the configuration I've chosen. Now, I'll click Proceed. That's it. My list has been imported successfully. It will show you the name, count path, and some actions buttons, which we'll discuss shortly. By clicking on the list, you can view your imported emails. Let's add one more list. This time we will import this list. Delimiter, comma separated. For the column, I will choose this one because it contains all my emails, and then proceed. As you can see, the second list has been added successfully. To check your list, just click on the Start Checking button. But before that, let's take a look at the checking options we have in Listjanitor. Click on this settings icon to open it. Here you'll find 5 options. Remove duplicates. This will eliminate all duplicate emails from your list. Remove role and spam addresses. This option removes all role-based email addresses. You can maintain your role-based domain address list in the settings, which I'll show you later in this video. Remove spam traps. This will remove any emails that belong to known spam traps, and you can also maintain a list of spam trap domain addresses in the settings. Remove invalid emails. This will filter out all invalid emails from your list. Verify domains. This option verifies each domain of your email addresses. So I'll keep all these options checked to get very clean emails list. Now click OK. To save the changes, now, select the list you want to clean and click the Start Checking button to begin cleaning the list. The checking process has started, and you can see the progress bar here. It will take a moment to finish the process. Once the checking is complete, you'll see the status of each email. You can also view the count of valid, invalid, and unknown emails. You can filter the list by clicking on the various options. You can also search within any column of your table by selecting the column from this dropdown. Now enter the text, and it will start searching based on the selected column of the list. Now, let's see how to export your checklists. To export, simply click on the Download button. Here, you can download your valid, invalid, unknown, or even the entire list in TXT or CSV format. I'll download my valid emails as a CSV. Just click on the Export Valid to CSV option, enter the file name, and click Save. That's how you can export your valid emails list as a CSV. Listjanitor also allows you to view statistics for all the domains in your list. Just click on the icon next to the download icon, and you'll see the email list separated by each domain. You can even create a sublist by clicking on the Create Sublist button. As you can see, the sublist for the selected domain has been created. Here's a handy feature. When you check any of the lists in the software, Listjanitor automatically maintains a list of all valid emails it found while checking. Whenever you add a new list, it will automatically mark those emails as valid if they match the valid emails list. That's why you're seeing all the valid emails in this domain sublist. Now, let's take a look at how to manage role addresses and spam traps. Just click on the Settings side menu to open it. We've done extensive research to add these addresses, but if you want to change anything regarding spam traps or role addresses, you can certainly do that. To remove any role address, just click on the cross button like this. Like if I click on this cross button, it will be removed. To add a new role address, simply enter it and hit the Add button. For example, if I enter sales and hit Add, you'll see that the role address has been added here. Let's see the next tab, Spam Traps, by clicking on it. For spam traps, we've identified various spam trap emails and listed them here. If you want to add more spam traps, just enter them here and hit Enter. That's it. You can add any website you want as a spam trap, and Listjanitor will mark any emails associated with these traps for removal during the checking process. Let's say I want to add test.com as a spam trap. Simply enter test.com and then click Add. As you can see, test.com is now added here. Let's click the cross icon to remove it for now. The next tab is for the license. Here, you can change your license if needed. If you delete the current license, you'll need to enter an active license according to your variant. For now, I am choosing No. To delete the file, just hit the trash icon and then click Yes. As you can see, it has been deleted now. You can also edit the file name. Just click this icon, enter a name like my list, and then click anywhere or hit the Enter button. That's it. File name has now changed. That's how you can import email lists and check them. Also generate sublists of each domain according to your needs. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.